Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to set the password to Grub. Why it is important? If someone get a physical access to your server, they can hard reboot your server and they can enter into the Grub and try to reset the password of root user without logging on server. All right, so it is very important to secure a server by setting a Grub password. Remotely, it's not possible until and all they have the grub access through the ILO or through the some console. All right, but it's very necessary if it is so critical server and you do not want someone enter into the grub and reset the root password or do any configuration changes. We need to make sure we have set the password to the grub. So in this tutorial, we are going to see that how to set a grub password. All set. So let us start with a command called as grub 2 hyphen mk password, that is passwd hyphen pbkdf2. That's it. Just type the password, retype the same password. All right, now this is what we required. We're gonna copy it, and now we'll go into the directory where all scripts are available, and the file is etc grubd. All right, we're gonna use this file called as 10_linux. We'll press Shift G. We'll press O to open a new line. Now here, it's very important to write a few lines. Cat greater than EOF. And here we'll write set super users equals to username. We can provide any username, and it's not mandatory this user need to be have in the system. All right, here we'll write password underscore pb kdf2. That's it. And after that, the username admin. All right, now once we're done, we have to just paste the password, and finally we have to write UF. Let's revise it. Cat greater than UF set super users equals to any username, password underscore pb kdf2 username, and the complete encrypted password, and then UF. That's it. Now we'll save these changes. Once we have done any changes in grubd, any one of the scripts, it will not apply to main configuration file, that is /boot grub.cfg, grub2 grub.cfg, right? It will not apply that changes in this file. So what we can do, let's take a backup of this. We'll say cp to take the backup of this file, and we'll take a backup on the same location, right? We'll type .bkf. This is a backup file, right? We have taken the backup. Now we'll try to apply the changes what we have did in the file called as 10_linux. All right, so we have made the changes in this file. Now we'll apply that changes in main configuration file. So to do that, we'll run the command grub2 hyphen mk config, that is make config hyphen o, and the file name. So our file name is boot grub2, and configuration file is grub.cfg. Done. Now we'll try to compare the file. So we'll say here diff, we'll we'll see is there is any difference. Yes, there is a difference. This new line is got added in the original file. Previously it was not there, so this got added. So once we run this command grub2-make config and the file name, this will apply all the changes what we did inside the directory of grub.d. All right, now it's time to check the result. We'll reboot the system. We'll go on the console. Now here we'll try to edit the grub setting and we'll try to do some changes, but it's not allowing us. It's asking for username. If I type wrong username, wrong password, it will not going to allow us. If I type edit, any changes, it will not allow us. So now in this situation, any stranger try to access the system will not get the access until and all he have the password. Thank you so much.